How to use AI features on Notion. Here's how to use AI features on Notion. Accessing AI. Highlighting text, select any text and pop-up menu will appear with Ask AI. Tap AI in any Notion page. Type AI to bring up a menu of AI action. AI block, add an AI block directly to your page for dedicated AI interaction. Common AI action. Summarize, condense long article or notes, brainstorm ideas, get creative suggestion for any topic, improve writing, fix grammar, spelling, and suggest rephrasing, translate, convert text between languages, find action item, extract tasks from meeting notes or documents, custom prompt, type your own specific request, for example, write a short poem about. Tips for best result. Be specific. The clearer your prompt, the better the output. Provide context. Give an AI enough information to understand your request. Iterate. If the first result isn't perfect, refine your prompt and try again. That's it. Notion AI is designed to be intuitive and helpful for various tasks.